Non-essential personnel report to the holds in 10 minutes' time for the scheduled briefing session with the Commandant. You are ordered to continue manning your posts until that time.
What's up, guys? It's me, Alex, or Rapid Madness, and I'm coming at you with part 4, I believe this is, of my MGS2 walkthrough. Still on the boat. Anyway, just from where we left off last time. Picking up some bullets. On the way to find Metal Gear. Come on. Go to sleep. Oh, great. That guy's a pain, because you can only shoot him at certain times. Other than that, he's fine. Can roll past him. I like to take everyone out as much as I need to. Just so I'm safe and don't get caught. Anyway. Grab these bullets. Yeah, when it comes to boss fights, I think I'm going to do them lethally, just because. Why not?
We have sealed the stern hatch. The lift is also under our control.
We're on the foredeck, about to descend to the holds.
Sir, the Marine Commander has started his speech already.
We will complete the preparations before the end of the speech.
All communications to the holds have been severed. No one is aware of our presence.
Let no one down into the holds until we are out.
Yes, sir. We will secure your exit, with our lives if necessary.
There is one more thing.
Yes, sir.
My daughter, keep her safe.
Yes, sir. Who goes there?
Ah, missed already. What a good start. Come on. The back is always a pain to get. Keep rushing out just in case. Shouldn't need it. Probably will need it. Oh, run away. Yeah, the grenade that was just thrown. Maybe not. Crouching in this game gives you some life back when you. Oh, come on. E3, that's it. And now probably my favourite cutscene in this part of the game.
Who's there? Oh, Shalashaska. Why are you here? We thought you were with the Colonel. What the...
The Colonel will be joining you soon, comrade.
Snake, are you in yet? Have you made it to the holds?
It's taking longer than I expected. We've already passed the Verrazano Bridge.
All right, we'll use another recovery point.
They may be planning to change course.
What?
The exits to the deck are all sealed.
What are they planning?
If they get Metal Gear, we're going right off the fringe.
You're all familiar with the Shadow Moses
The men down here are definitely Marines.
The current state of nuclear...
If the deck is sealed off, they have no way of knowing that the ship's been taken over.
I'm not interested in fighting these guys. The weapons won't do me much good here.
Can you see Metal Gear?
No. I'll have to go around to the bow. They have some serious defenses here. I doubt the recent arrivals want to blast their way through the Marines either.
Wonder where they're headed?
I don't know. Not the beach, that's for sure.
Okay, Snake, let's go over this one more time. Use this camera to get photographic evidence of the Metal Gear prototype. Now do your thing and take pictures that speak louder than the government's plausible denials. We need 4 shots. Metal Gear from the front, front right, and front left, and a close-up of the Marine Corps marking.
Marking?
There should be a Marine's insignia on the body of Metal Gear. Just let someone try explaining away a clear shot of that.
All right.
There's actually one little thing.
Just spit it out. I'm used to things going wrong.
It looks like someone's monitoring our transmission.
Who?
I don't have a clue. All they're doing is watching. It would creep me out less if they tried to interfere with our communications.
Could it have something to do with that cipher we saw?
Maybe. I've switched the encryption protocol for our burst transmission for now. What I want to do is use a different method for sending these photos, just in case.
Instead of using the codec?
Exactly. There's a workstation in the southeast corner of the block where Metal Gear is housed. I've made arrangements so that you can send the pictures from the machine.
Arrangements?
I hitched a ride on Link 16 into US military's proprietary network. Managed to get into that workstation and overwrote a part of the system software so I could remote install a little app I wrote.
Why bother with anything that complicated?
No, it's pretty simple, really. Look, all you have to do is stand in front of the machine and push the action button. The app will automatically launch and download the image data from the camera, split the files, and encrypt them individually. The data packets can then masquerade as...
Okay. So all I have to do is push the action button in front of the computer once I have the pictures, right?
Well, sure, if you put it that way. And one more thing. The Commandant's already begun his speech, but you need to get the pictures before he's done talking. Otherwise, they'll spot you, okay?
How much time do I have?
I hacked into his personal files and took a look at the text of that speech. I'd say you have 7 more minutes. Longer if he throws in a joke or two.
A 7-minute time limit, huh?
Remember, Snake, just the photos, okay?
With these kinds of odds, I won't be making any sudden moves. But that doesn't mean we can just let Metal Gear be hijacked.
Okay, but first the photos.
All right, we'll deal with the rest when we get there.
Stay low.
So... Right. Actually, try a little. Yeah, there you go. Go rushing quickly. We're in here.
thousands of Metal Gears that exist all over the world.
Lovely Marine in just his boxers.
Nuclear proliferation will be contained, and it will be the Marine Corps and our Ray that will accomplish this.
2 seconds, there you go.
At the moment, every industrialized nation on the globe knows the specifications for Metal Gear. Worse yet, so do a number of rogue states. They are all working on deploying their own Metal Gear force to compete with the U.S.'s nuclear strike capability.
Always go underneath.
Swarm of these Metal Gear derivatives.
It's a tad easier. There are less people and things like that to deal with. Oh, there's no people to deal with apart from there's one thing where someone might see you, and if you're not fast enough, there's another people might see you. But apart from that, it's much simpler than trying to go around the outside. You've not got anyone there that can hear you or anything like that. So it's just so much simpler.
This weapon will render all other Metal Gears obsolete. Nations building up their own Metal Gear force will think twice about their nuclear strategy in the light of the military dominance spelled out by Ray.
Sounds like a mess of guards. Quite funny. You just knock and then run away.
The shift in the balance of power will mean a new
Come on, open it. There you go.
play a central role in its military.
And then you just do the same thing here.
Ours is not the only military project devoted to Metal Gear development. But
Yeah, this
different in nature from the Navy.
this room's a pain. Actually, quite recently, well, a few years ago now, but compared to this game is 13 years old. So I knew about this way. This is a guy that can catch you. Just make sure his shadow is completely gone, because he's dropped a clip. So he's
At ease. Rest a little.
if his shadow isn't fully gone, then he will see you. So
Move on. I have a door.
Alright guys, this is going to be the end of this episode. I'll pause it here. I will see you next time, and we will complete this by taking the pictures of Metal Gear. And yeah, so I'll see you next time.